Hey guys, it's Remo and we're here in front of one of our newest listings in the city of Whittier in the Palm Park neighborhood. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let me show you guys inside. All right, so fresh exterior paint. Beautiful neighborhood of Palm Park. A lot of character in this home. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice landscape in the front. Show you guys inside. All right, as soon as you come in, you get the hardwood floors. You do this angle. You got crown molding, recess lights, living room fireplace, and beautiful hardwood floor. Nice big bay window, dining area. You have another family room there, and you have the kitchen on this side. Nice kitchen, updated cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is bar area here. That leads you to the family room. And you got a kitchen access door here. All right, let me show you guys bedroom number 1, which is a one's room. Ceiling fan, hardwood floors. You got a half bath here, so sink, toilet in there. I'll keep going through the family room. I'll take you guys outside, which is one of my favorite spots. This beautiful courtyard here. You have these two sliders just open up. Gives you about 8-foot access, which is really nice. All right, again, hardwood floors. This is the larger bedroom. You have, looks like maybe a cow king, and you have a bunch of space in here still. Ceiling fans. You have central AC. Keep going through the hallway here. It's the full bath, has a shower and a bathtub. Dual sink, which is nice. I'll get all the lights turned on. We're just setting up for the open house here, and this is bedroom number 3. It's another really good size. Ceiling fans. Wraps around to your entry. Now let me take you to my favorite part, which is beautiful backyard. So again, these sliders open up all the way. Let me show you guys what it looks like. The backyard. So let me back up here because again, I think it's really stunning. So you have this big entertaining area that opens up. Nice courtyard, beautiful backyard. You have turf, detached 2-car garage with the laundry room kind of in the back. Nice and quiet, nice landscape. You have this courtyard, or this concrete, stamped and colored concrete. It's really nice backyard. So that is it. All right guys, so thanks again for watching. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,600 square feet in the Palm Park neighborhood. If you're interested in seeing this in person, please reach out to us. If you're working with an agent, have your agent reach out to us. All the best, and we'll see you soon.